Hello everyone, you are on the Mr. Octopus channel. Today you will find out how to use Klarna at Walmart. Let's go. Open Klarna. Use Chrome extension or Klarna app. Search for Walmart off the home screen and start adding items to your cart. After you've added everything to your cart, go to checkout page and tap Pay with Cape button at the bottom of the app screen. Take control of your budget. Use Klarna to split the cost of your purchase into 4 smaller interest-free payments, paid every 2 weeks. Now you know how to use Klarna at Walmart. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.